Applying press-on nails are easy, but removing press-on nails are more easy. Today in this video, I will share with you how to easily remove press-on nails. So for this, first of all, I am taking a bowl. Now I am adding slightly hot water. I am pouring into the bowl. Now I am adding liquid soap into it. Mix them well and then soak my nails into this hot soapy water for at least 10 minutes. So me and my sister are soaking my hands into the hot water. After 10 minutes we will remove our nails. She removed her nails, you can see inside the bowl, and I am waiting for my turn. And my nails are soaking inside into the hot water, and I think now it will come out easily because 10 minutes are over. Now I am gently scraping the sides and trying to scrape the nail, and it's easily coming out with the glue. The glue is also coming out with the nail, and you can see I am scraping gently, and it comes out so easily after soaking the nails into the hot soapy water for 10 minutes. You can see all the glue came out with the nail, and I am done. Look at this, my nails are perfectly alright. I am doing this with my other nails too, gently scraping the edges of my nails, and the press-on nails comes out easily. Look at this. After that, I will remove the glue from my nails, fake nails, and then clean this and dry this, and then again I will store it in my collection of press-on nails because we can reuse them after many uses. Look at this, it's perfectly alright. I can reuse them after cleaning and drying the nails. And this is the last nail. I am scraping gently and it's coming out so easily. Look at this, all the glue also came out with the nail, and I am done. That's all. Now I am removing the glue from my nails. Look at this, all nails are perfectly alright, and now I am drying my nails, and I will reuse them whenever I want to use. It's the best product. I recommend you to buy press-on nails. I got all these wonderful products from nailnia.com. You can check all the details about this product in my description box, and you can use my code and get the benefits of discount price. Thank you so much for watching Inspired by Dreams. Thank you so much.